I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you mine, yeah, mine, yeah, mine, yeah, mine, yeah. I just wanna make you mine, yeah, mine, yeah. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you.
Hi guys, welcome back. We got a parcel today. Look what we got. Look what we got. Look what we got. We got the Mavic 3. We only got the basic package, but I think that's all we're gonna need for now. I'm so excited. I really wasn't expecting this today. I come home from work and here it is. Anyways, I'm going to do a quick unboxing and hopefully we can get this charged up and maybe stick her in the air for a little flight tonight. So let's figure out how to cut this thing open here. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. Okay. Okay, this looks like the basic controller, same one that comes with the Mini 2 and the Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic Air 2S. Okay, so we know what that looks like. Okay, this is the deal breaker here. This is the deal breaker here. Okay, so it looks like in the basic package there, you're going to get the controller, you're going to get the drone with a jock strap on it. That looks different, but apparently everybody loves it. And you know what? It's probably easier to put on and easier to take off. So anyways, that's the drone. That's what you're going to get in the basic package. You're going to get two cables here. Let's see, it looks like one is, what is that? That looks like a micro USB to a USB-C. And this other one here looks like a USB-C to USB-C. This looks like this is the cable that you can actually charge up the battery. You can actually charge up the battery while it's inside. I'm going to pull up this flap. Well, I guess I got to take that off. I'm not going to take that off right now, but anyways, in the back there, you're going to be able to plug in that USB-C cable, and then this end here is going to plug into the charging brick. It's great that they have the charging brick. Charging brick has one USB-C cable on the end there, which can go into the drone, and then the other USB-C cable will plug into here and into your controller for charging. Anyways, guys, I'm pretty excited, and it looks like they only give you 2 spare props there. But anyways, I'm very excited to get this thing all charged up and hopefully get her in the air for just a little quick flight tonight. Anyways, I appreciate everybody watching, and if you bought the basic like I did, this is what you're going to get. Catch you in the next one. Oh, I can hardly wait.